Guys, this is a shout out to all the people who are aspiring to be lawyers. Could be young, could be old. I'm happy to be joined on this set with two guys who I consider to be young lawyers. So I'll just ask them to introduce themselves. This is
Austin and Jacky.
All right, Austin.
Yes.
Thanks so much for being willing to do this. And this is
Jacky and
Jacky and fantastic guys. Wanted just to hear, for the sake of the guys who are young lawyers, Jacky, why did you choose to do law?
Mine, I think, came from when I was younger. My mother always told me I had a solution for everything.
Okay.
So in analyzing, I found that law is good because it transverses, cuts across. There's a solution for everything. And lawyers tailor-make solutions for every person. So I feel like that's something that I got challenged to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tailor-made solutions, I like that. I know a certain firm that is using that as a tagline somewhere. Austin, why did you choose to do law?
For me, it was three things. It was like Kimathi.
Okay.
It was the desire to see things in an organized way. And when I talk about organized way, I'm talking about having statutes in place, things that govern how things are done, systems in place, and I think that's what the law principally does. And number two, it was just for the sake of, or rather, just to have solutions in place to conflict and problems that are there in the society.
All right.
Yes.
You've also used solutions, but you'll allow me to call you Mr. Structure and Jacky Madam Solutions.
Very
just
well.
on a light note.
Very well.
In terms of going through law school,
Yes.
is it something you think is doable? I mean, they've been giving some crazy results that we see. Guys are not. I unfortunately, I'm unable to identify. Us guys had an exemption, so we
Yes.
didn't do exams at Kenya School of Law. Is
All
it
right.
doable, Austin?
It is doable. I mean, we are here, we are live and kicking in the flesh.
Okay.
And so it is doable. Units are what you will find in the practice out here. So it's just a sort of introduction to what you're going to face out here. It may seem to be a challenge as you begin, but you get the hang of it on the go.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Jacky, I mean, you are coming to the end of your pupillage here at the firm of Musimi and Company. What are your hopes for yourself in this profession?
I have figured out what I love. I have figured out what kind of work I prefer.
Okay.
Yeah, what I am more aligned to.
Care to tell us what kind of work you really enjoy?
I have realized that I am more inclined towards the commercial aspects.
Okay.
Yeah, I prefer dealing with companies. I don't know if it's that it's a less more, you feel less connected it's less connecting as an individual, because the real problems really shake you as a person, some of the problems. But I feel the commercial aspect has really grown in me, and immigration, which is something that I've always known I had a passion for. And growth, I have had a lot of growth and development. And one thing I have loved about Musimi is that it's home.
Okay.
It feels like home. Everything about the client, from the client, how handling from client management to client handling to how you manage the file. It's more like the way you do it at home, where you take up a task. It's your task. You own the task. You carry it forward till completion.
Austin, you mentioned, I mean, Jacky has talked about how she hopes to be Director of Immigration. I mean, of course, with a light touch, but it's possible. Austin, for you, what? Attorney General of Kenya, maybe Uganda? I don't know what for you, what you want to be?
Maybe Kenya.
Maybe Kenya.
Maybe Kenya.
Okay.
Worldwide.
All right.
Yes, I love the litigation.
You love litigation?
I love litigation.
Okay.
I love the court process.
All right.
I love walking clients through the court process.
Wow.
And seeing results and in the form of judgments and decrees.
Yes.
Sometimes it may turn against us, but the process is what does it for me.
Amazing. Okay, guys, as mentioned, this is for all the guys who are aspiring lawyers, young lawyers out there. I mean, we've heard from both Jacky and Austin. It's doable. They talked about the desire for structure in their childhood, desire for solutions in their childhood, but they're saying that they have hopes, and I mean, keep at it. If you're considering, give it more thought. If you're already at it, keep grinding at the wheel. All the best.